It's had huge satisfaction in kind of imparting music to people who want to learn it. I get a great thrill from going in the evening and teaching them a few tunes that they never heard before, and within an hour they're all able to play the tune and enjoy it. There's been a huge amount of medical and scientific research showing that kids who learn music have better compartmentalization of knowledge. They're able to organize their knowledge in their heads better than kids who don't learn music. And that seems to improve their performance educationally right across the board, not just in music, but in other areas as well too. Links with music and maths and languages, and that's great to see.
There's no better place than Cultureland to engage with that sort of level of culture, tradition. So many instruments being taught here. The children are mixing, with children of their own age, sometimes younger, sometimes older. The tutors encourage that, both genders and cross-culture mixture, which is very important in this day and age. But it builds character in a child and prepares them for the big world that they're entering into in the future.
My children have been coming here for over a year now. Between them, they do the tom whistle, the bodhrán, fiddle, mandolin, concertina and harp. They've been coming here weekly over the past year and a half to 2 years now, and they absolutely love it. They learn about dedication, discipline, and then they have other skills then that filter into school. You have, they learn all about rhythm, pitch, expression, dynamics. It's just great. It's just, I just love it, and it's so beneficial for all the students here, not only my own children.
I think it's an amazing place, the Acadamh Ceoil. This is something that's about community too, and I think that's very, very important.
I like making friends and coming here to learn music.
Just the teachers and the whole atmosphere is really good.
It's really good because you make lots of new friends and you have a really good variety of instruments to choose from. It's great fun, you get to meet new friends and the teachers are good.
I like the diversity of it the best, how if there is an Irish traditional instrument, you're almost guaranteed to be able to learn it here.